As an athlete, are you looking for a way to take your performance to the next level? What if there was a training method that not only improved your strength and flexibility, but also reduced your risk of injury and enhanced your overall technique? Enter Pilates. While it's often associated with dancers or fitness enthusiasts, Pilates is becoming a secret weapon for athletes in every sport. Imagine improving your core stability, boosting your flexibility, and sharpening your focus, all in one workout. Sounds too good to be true? The truth is, Pilates offers benefits that can help athletes excel in their sport, whether on the field, court, or track. In this video, we'll explore how Pilates can instantly boost your performance, why it works, and how you can start incorporating it into your training routine today. But first, let's dive into what Pilates is all about and why it's so effective. At its core, Pilates is a low-impact exercise system that focuses on strengthening the muscles, improving flexibility, and enhancing body awareness. Developed by Joseph Pilates in the early 20th century, this method was originally designed to help rehabilitate injured soldiers and dancers. Today, it's used by athletes across various disciplines to improve performance and prevent injury. Pilates is built around 6 key principles: control, centering, concentration, precision, breath, and flow. These principles guide each movement, ensuring that exercises are performed with intentionality and focus. Unlike traditional workouts that might emphasize strength or cardio, Pilates integrates both mental and physical conditioning, promoting a balanced approach to fitness. A distinctive feature of Pilates is its focus on the core, the deep muscles of the abdomen, lower back, and hips. These muscles are essential for stabilizing the body, providing support for the spine, and enabling controlled, efficient movement. Pilates exercises engage these core muscles while also improving flexibility, alignment, and balance throughout the entire body. What makes Pilates so effective for athletes is that it complements and enhances their primary training by targeting muscle imbalances, improving posture, and increasing overall functional strength. It also helps athletes move with greater precision and efficiency. But how does Pilates actually contribute to better performance? Let's dive into the specific benefits it offers for athletes. How Pilates enhances athletic performance. Pilates offers several key benefits that directly improve athletic performance, from building core strength to enhancing flexibility. Here's how it works. 1. Core strength. The foundation of Pilates is its focus on strengthening the core, muscles deep within the abdomen, back, and pelvis. A strong core is crucial for athletes, as it provides stability and control during dynamic movements. Whether sprinting, cycling, or swimming, a powerful core helps transfer energy efficiently between the upper and lower body, improving speed and power. It also helps prevent injuries by stabilizing the spine and reducing unnecessary strain on other muscles and joints. 2. Flexibility and range of motion. Pilates emphasizes controlled stretching and lengthening of muscles, which enhances flexibility. Increased flexibility can improve an athlete's range of motion, allowing for more fluid, efficient movements. It also helps prevent injuries by reducing muscle tightness and joint stiffness, common issues that athletes face. For example, a runner with improved hip flexibility can stride longer, while a swimmer with more shoulder mobility can achieve better stroke technique. 3. Balance and posture. Pilates also improves balance and posture by targeting smaller, stabilizing muscles. This results in more efficient movement patterns, helping athletes stay grounded and aligned, whether performing explosive movements or maintaining endurance over long periods. Improved posture can also prevent fatigue and discomfort, especially during long training sessions or competitions. With these benefits in mind, let's look at how Pilates can specifically enhance performance in different sports. Benefits of Pilates for different sports. Pilates isn't a one-size-fits-all workout. It's a versatile method that benefits athletes in various sports. Here's how Pilates can enhance performance in some of the most popular disciplines. Running runners often face tight muscles, especially in the hips, hamstrings, and calves, which can lead to injury and hinder performance. Pilates helps lengthen and stretch these muscles, improving flexibility and reducing the risk of strains. Additionally, Pilates strengthens the core and stabilizing muscles, providing better posture and more efficient strides. With improved core stability, runners can maintain better form, even in the later stages of a race, reducing fatigue and improving speed. 2. Cycling. Cycling places a lot of strain on the lower body, particularly the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Pilates helps strengthen these muscles while also improving hip and lower back flexibility, reducing tightness that can cause discomfort. Furthermore, Pilates enhances posture and core stability, which are crucial for maintaining proper alignment on the bike, helping cyclists ride longer with less discomfort and more power. 3. Swimming. In swimming, effective stroke technique relies on a strong, flexible core and shoulder mobility. Pilates targets these areas, improving rotation, flexibility, and strength, which directly impacts swimming performance. A strong core enables better body alignment, reducing drag and making strokes more efficient. Flexibility in the shoulders and hips also allows for a more fluid range of motion in the water. Each sport benefits from Pilates in unique ways, but one thing is clear. Pilates helps athletes move with more power, precision, and efficiency. Now let's explore how Pilates can also be a game changer when it comes to injury prevention and recovery. One of the most significant benefits of Pilates for athletes is its ability to prevent injuries and speed up recovery. Athletes often push their bodies to the limit, which can result in muscle imbalances, overuse injuries, or joint strain. Pilates helps address these issues by promoting balance, strength, and flexibility in key muscle groups. Injury prevention. Pilates strengthens the stabilizing muscles that support joints, helping to prevent common injuries such as strains, sprains, and tendinitis. It also targets areas that are often neglected in traditional training, such as the deep core muscles, glutes, and hip flexors. By developing a stronger, more balanced body, Pilates can correct postural misalignments and movement patterns, reducing the risk of injury caused by improper technique. For instance, improving core strength can prevent lower back pain, a common issue for athletes in high-impact or repetitive motion sports. Rehabilitation and recovery. Pilates is also highly effective for athletes recovering from injury. Its low-impact nature makes it an excellent choice for those who need to rebuild strength and mobility without further stressing injured tissues. Pilates exercises can be modified to accommodate various injury types, allowing athletes to gently rehabilitate muscles and joints while avoiding aggravation. Many professional athletes use Pilates as part of their rehabilitation programs to regain flexibility, rebuild muscle strength, and restore proper movement patterns. Now that we've seen how Pilates helps with injury prevention and recovery, let's look at how athletes can start incorporating Pilates into their regular training routines for maximum benefit. How to integrate Pilates into your training routine. Integrating Pilates into your training routine doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting, adding Pilates can be a game changer in boosting your performance and preventing injuries. Here's how to get started. 1. Start with the basics. If you're new to Pilates, begin with foundational exercises to learn the proper techniques. Focus on mastering the principles of breath, control, and alignment. Many Pilates studios offer beginner classes, and there are also plenty of online resources and videos tailored for athletes. Starting with basic mat exercises will help you develop awareness of your body and its movements. 2. Frequency and duration. For most athletes, incorporating Pilates 2 to 3 times per week is ideal. These sessions don't need to be lengthy. 30 to 45 minutes can be enough to experience noticeable benefits. Consistency is key, so try to stick to a regular schedule. Pilates can be performed on rest days or as part of your warm-up or cool-down routine, complementing your main training without overloading your body. 3. Target specific areas. Depending on your sport, focus on the areas that need the most attention. Runners, for example, should emphasize hip flexibility and core stability, while swimmers can benefit from shoulder mobility and torso rotation exercises. Pilates can be tailored to your individual needs, helping to address any imbalances and improve your strengths. Now that you know how to incorporate Pilates into your routine, let's look at how it can provide immediate performance improvements and long-term benefits for athletes. Pilates is a powerful tool for athletes looking to enhance their performance and reduce the risk of injury. By focusing on core strength, flexibility, posture, and balance, Pilates helps athletes move with more precision, power, and efficiency, no matter the sport. Whether you're a runner seeking better stride mechanics, a cyclist wanting to ride longer with less discomfort, or a swimmer aiming for a smoother stroke, Pilates can make an immediate impact on your training. What makes Pilates truly unique is its ability to target the deep muscles that support the body's movement patterns, improving not just strength but also flexibility, stability, and body awareness. It complements other forms of training by addressing muscular imbalances and reinforcing the body's natural alignment. And perhaps most importantly, Pilates helps athletes recover faster from injuries by promoting healing and rebuilding strength without the risk of overstraining. Incorporating Pilates into your training routine is a simple yet effective way to boost performance, prevent injury, and ensure long-term athletic success. Whether through beginner classes, online sessions, or specialized Pilates for athletes, the benefits are clear. So, why not give it a try and see how Pilates can elevate your athletic journey? Now that you have an understanding of how Pilates can transform your training, take action and explore some beginner-friendly exercises to start reaping the benefits for yourself. Your body and your performance will thank you.